Hello, and welcome to another Hollaroo demo. Here we're going to look at the recruiter experience within the platform, showing how you can get insights from your pipeline analytics and interact directly with your candidates. All of the data which has been gathered from your candidates, either directly from them or from things they've been doing on the platform, is combined together to help you manage your pipeline better, make better decisions, and take a more proactive, strategic approach to your recruitment. The main way a recruiter will interact with the system is via a dashboard, which is tailored to them, quickly shows them important information, and then allows them to drill into detail in other parts of the system. In this system, we've gathered together information on candidates, open roles, and targeted pipelines, as well as broader statistics on performance. With candidates, we can highlight people of particular interest, maybe those that have been recently joined or have particular profiles that this recruiter is interested in. Straight away, you can see an example of the analytics working behind the scenes, giving an indication of how hire ready each candidate is. This goes beyond what's in their profile or CV and combines it with metrics from the platform that are monitoring how engaged they are with your organisation and how ready they are to move. This is basically telling the recruiter who are the candidates most likely to respond to an approach. Green means ready to hire, red means leave them to nurturing. Next, we can see as soon as a job is posted, the system's looking at people within the platform and seeing how likely it is that that role is going to be filled directly from the pipeline. Here we're looking at the reach you have, how many people there are within the pipeline who match the requirements, how good they are, and how ready they are to move. You can use this to make decisions about whether you need to consider external advertising or other channels. Obviously, if you're very confident that you're just going to recruit the person from the pipeline, there's no need to spend any money externally. Whereas if there's some level of doubt about whether the pipeline is going to supply the candidate, then you can take a more blended approach. In either case, you're making informed decisions about whether to advertise or not, and this information will be useful when discussing with hiring managers about expectations and the best approach to take. In this example, the recruiter is responsible for specific areas of the business, and rather than wait for jobs to be posted, they can monitor the quality of the pipeline against projected demand. Again, we're combining three metrics: how many relevant candidates there are and how this matches to projected demand, how good the candidates are, and how many of them are ready to move at any point in time. With this information, you can proactively go out and target people for the pipeline. So rather than just a blanket approach to attracting any candidate under the sun, you can target particular skill sets or particular backgrounds and selectively augment areas of your pipeline so that when the roles come in the future, the pipeline's ready to go. Alongside these decision-making analytics, you also see more typical reporting where you can see how the pipeline is growing in particular areas and ultimately how many hires it's delivering. Again, this can be tailored for each client to focus on their key performance indicators. So to summarize, the platform is engaging with candidates, keeping them informed and interested, while at the same time building data and analytics that you can use to help with your decision making. This is all happening pretty much automatically. There's no need to do anything, and this is proven to deliver quality hires over long periods of time. If you do want to interact with your candidates, however, the data that's available to drive the analytics is also searchable within the system. So you can do very precise and targeted searches which combine together things like data from somebody's profile, the groups that they're interested in, notes and tags that have been added to the candidate, their level of activity. Any of these can be combined together to deliver very precise sets of candidates that you can then target. Once you've found a set of candidates, you can do things like send them a message, add them into your own groups and events, or add your own notes and tags to them. Or you can share any content with them, so you can let them know about jobs, some interesting news happening in the organisation, or get them prepared for upcoming roles. Overall, you can quickly and easily drill into a particular set of candidates and then engage with them however you want to. So as you can see, the platform combines automated machine learning happening on the right, which is driving your analytics and your decision making, and then on the left there's the ability to drill in and interact with candidates more precisely and directly. It's all flexible, built around your needs, so you decide the approach that works best for you.